Yeah, hello students. How are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 10. Chapter number 10. This is measurement. This is measurement. Now class, we are going to study about measurement. Plus measurement length, using body parts for measuring length, measurement for of mass, volume, measurement. Now class, let's start the chapter. It is class, pick the longest one. Pick the longest one. Class, which boy is longest? It is longest. Now class, question number 2. Pick the heaviest one. Heaviest one is, it is watermelon. Now, question number 3. Pick the biggest one. Biggest one means horse. It is horse. जो बड़ा है सबसे. Biggest means बड़ा. So it is horse. Now class, measuring length. What can we say about the picture in right? Class C. Here is, class, pencil is taller than pen. It is long and it is short. Now class, the pen is longer than the pen. The pencil is longer than the pen and the pen is shorter than the pencil. Class, pencil is longer than pen and pen is shorter than pencil. Now class, long and shorter indicate different in length. जो छोटा होता है क्लास वो shorter होता है और जो बड़ा होता है वो longer होता है. Now class, come on exercise 10.1. Pick the things which is long. Which is long? Class is long the cup. Glass is longer than cup. Now candle is longer than diya. Now this is longer than this bird. Now this rope is longer than this rope. Now using body parts for measuring length. Using body parts. Plus in early days, plus पहले क्या होता था? पहले people used to some body parts. पहले body parts को यूज करते थे टू गेट एन आइडिया ऑफ लेंथ सच एज. प्लस अपने हैंड स्पैन का यूज करते थे, आप डिजिट का यूज करते थे लाइक दिस क्यूबॉइड. क्लास यहाँ से जो हमारी ये जो स्पेस होता है वो क्यूबॉइड होता है एंड फुट स्पैन का और आप पेस. ओके, दीज आर नॉन स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स क्लास. दीज आर नॉन स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स क्लास. ये नॉन स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स होती हैं क्योंकि सपोज अगर आप दो ही स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आप दोनों ही अपने हैंड स्पैन को यूज करेंगे तो किसी का छोटा आएगा किसी का बड़ा अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर हाइट. ओके, so it is non-standard units. The non-standard units do not give uniform results because of measuring by different persons. Measuring by different persons, the result will be different from person to person. Okay, जो result होगा वो हमारा different होगा from person to person. For accurate length measurement, we use scale, tapes or meter ruler. For example, a cloth merchant. A cloth merchant uses meter rod to measure the length of a long piece of cloth. Class C. Okay. Measure meter rod. It is a meter rod. He is using the meter rod for measuring the length of cloth. Now class, this meter m is standard unit. Meter is a standard unit of length. This is a centimeter ruler is also a unit of length. This is a centimeter ruler. Understand? Now class, come on exercise 10.2. Question number 1. Write the body parts name that we use to measure the length. Yes class, how write the body parts name that we use to measure the length. It is hands, fingers, foot and legs. Understand class? Now class, come on question number 2. How many hand spans make up the length of your study table? Class, measure your study table with your hand spans. Okay, and write here. Measurement of mass. Mass means weight. The mass of a lighter object is less than the mass of a heavier one. Class, we say that the heavier object weighs more or its weight is more. We use a balance to find the weight of object. हम क्या यूज करते हैं क्लास? बीम बैलेंस का यूज करते हैं when objects are placed on the pens of the balance. The heavier sides go down. जो क्लास heavy sides होगी वो क्या होगी? Down चली जाएगी. Okay. The left side is heavier. Class ये नीचे आ गई means left side is heavier. Now the right side is heavier. Now class ये नीचे आ गई so right side is heavier. Now both sides are the same. Now class both sides are same. ये दोनों ही जो ऑब्जेक्ट का वेट है वो क्या है? सेम है. ओके. नाउ वेट इज कॉमनली measured in either kilograms or grams. हम किस में मेजर करते हैं? Standard unit of weight is kilogram and grams. Now class, come on exercise 10.3. Write H for heavier and L for lighter. Now class, it is heavier, it is lighter. Heavier, lighter. Now heavier, lighter, heavier and lighter. Understand? Now volume measurement. Volume. Just take a jug of water. Take a jug of water and a few empty glasses. और कुछ खाली glasses. Pour water from the jug. Pour water from the jug into glasses. अब थोड़ा थोड़ा water इन jug glasses में कीजिए from the jug. If the water from the jug fill 3 glasses, we can say that the jug can fill 3 glasses of water. ओके. अब इस जग में जो पानी था हमने इन 3 ग्लासेस में फिल कर दिया. सो हम कह सकते हैं कि द जग के पास 3 वाटर ऑफ ग्लासेस की कैपेसिटी थी. So we can say that the jug can fill 3 glasses of water. Now, therefore, the water in a jug is more than the water in a glass. Water in a jug, ये क्या है? Water in a jug is more than, वो ज्यादा है than the water in the glass. The amount that a container can hold its capacity. जो amount ये जो container hold करते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? उसकी capacity होती है. Now class, come on exercise 10.4. Take the container which holds the most. So bucket can hold the most capacity. Understand class? Now class, your chapter is completed. Prepare it very well and we will meet you in next class. Thank you.